Want to stabilize shaky footage? Here's how to make your video smooth and steady in Adobe Premiere Rush. First, open your project and select the clip you want to stabilize. Next, click on the Effects panel and scroll to find the Stabilization effect. Apply it to your clip and Adobe Premiere Rush will automatically analyze and stabilize the footage. If the stabilization does not work perfectly, try adjusting the smoothness setting for a better result. Let me know in the comments if your video is stabilized. Now your footage is smooth and steady. Play around with settings to fine-tune the result. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.